Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be tackling my summer to-do list. So these are some of the tasks that I need to do every single summer. I find that they work best during this time of the year, so I'll explain more as we go into the video. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and thank you so much for clicking this video. So today we're going to be tackling, like I said, my summer to-do list. So join me today. So we're going to start by tackling my son's chair. So this is where he sits when he has his meals. One of the things that I actually dislike about it is that the straps get dirty quite quickly. I should have started, showing you the before, but I just dislike the sauces and all the soups and all the food that get caught onto that. So I'm tackling that straps first, and I'm using a metal scourer. Not sure why, but it was the closest thing that I could find, and washing up liquid. You can use any detergent that you want, but again, I was just doing a quick thing because I just randomly realized this is really dirty and I'm going to tackle it today. Actually works really well on this type of day because it's sunny, so within an hour everything will be dry. I probably have not done this for the last couple of weeks because, again, I probably thought that it's not going to dry quickly enough by the time he has his next meal. So perfect day to get everything done, as it will dry within an hour. So I love hot days, perfect for things that need to dry up really quickly. But yeah, so on to the next task, which is the BBQ stand. I'm going to be using fairy washing up liquid again. You could use elbow grease, but I prefer washing up liquid because I feel like this works really well if I don't have elbow grease, which today I do not have, but it works really well to degrease all the dirt. And this is actually on the inside of the BBQ stand. I'm not doing the racks. I normally focus on the racks quite a lot, but I forget the inside of the BBQ stand itself does need a little bit of a deep clean. And today is a perfect day to get this done because it will be dry within the hour. Again, I love hot days. Not one is really hot. Try and be cautious, but it's warm enough for it to be able to dry within an hour. And yeah, so this is me tackling this, and look forward to me showing you what I use to make sure that the silver bits stay silver, and also general well-being of making sure your BBQ stand stays and lasts longer. But yeah, so look forward to a video coming up in the next couple of weeks. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the content, and let me know in the comment section below if you do a bit of cleaning on hot days, only because the things that you're cleaning will dry a lot quicker than they would normally do. So on to the next task, which is the Willow bin. I decided to use that massive broom because the amount of spiders that were on that bin and the amount of cobwebs, and I did not want to touch a spider, so I just used the outdoors broom just to get rid of all the cobwebs and all the gooey stuff. But yeah, there was still a bit of cobwebs lingering there, so I'm gonna get a hose pipe and I'm going to just pour water in there. So the bins have been collected today, and I'm just basically giving this a thorough wash. And because it's summer, the bins get smelly, and all the flies and all the fruit flies and everything, so the last thing you want to do is have a really smelly bin with lots of flies and maggots and all that gooey stuff. So I'm cleaning it using the sieve cream cleaner, and you can do this as often as you possibly can, but again, I prefer during summer because it doesn't take long to dry up. And I think this broom worked magically because the amount of goo and dirt that came off fantastic. So now I'm just rinsing the bin, and I'm really happy with that. Again, please give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content. I'm now going to pour table salt inside the bin. This prevents the flies from, laying their eggs in there. So on to the next task, which is my baby's pram. So I just got a baggie, and I would normally take this apart and put everything inside the washing machine. Normally I do this during winter months, but because it's sunny, perfect day again. I'm just gonna get this wet, get a brush and put detergent on it, and just basically give it a scrub. Within about 2 hours it will be dry. So this is why I like to have certain tasks that I do during the summer. They are not always regarding this stuff like bedding, like the duvet covers, cushions, pillows, anything that would normally take a long time to dry up during the spring and the winter months, but in summer it takes, it dries a lot quicker. So this is why I have a summer to-do list. When it comes to my son's pram and stuff, the other day I actually cleaned the car and I moved his car seat, and I realized the amount of dirt that is on there. It's ridiculous. So I took this stroller out as well, and I thought this actually definitely needs a clean because he spends most of the time in there. So why not give it a deep clean? So if you have made it this far into the video, can you please send me a sunshine emoji? So if you can send a sunshine emoji in the comment section below, then I know you guys have made it till the end of the video. If you've enjoyed this video, like I said, please consider giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Look forward to more content and how-to videos, and if you can't wait until next week, I've got plenty of videos that you can check out on the right here, or you can click the link in the description bar for other videos. So until then guys, you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you soon. Bye.